Hi everybody, this is Deepak and you're watching Legal Minds. Dear friends, as we all know, reading is one of those habits which can really change your life, especially in times of pandemic like this. Hence, I have come up with 9 such books which can really change your life, especially if you are a lawyer or a law student. Hence, without wasting any time, let us see what all are those books which every lawyer or law student must read. So, let us proceed with the first book on my list, that is titled as A Courtroom Genius, Nani Palkiwala, which is written by Soli Swarabji. And this book is a biography of Nani Palkiwala, one of the greatest lawyers of India. And dear friend, this book will give you a clear insight into the life and advocacy style of one of the greatest lawyers of India. And this great man also appeared in various landmark cases in India, for example, Keswananda Bharati case and bank nationalization case, etc. Hence, if you are a lawyer or a law student, this book is must read. Hence, please go ahead and read this book. This is one book you can never miss. The next book on my list is titled as Roses in December, an autobiography by M.C. Chagla. M.C. Chagla, the first Chief Justice of Bombay High Court post independence, a very disciplined man, a very well known judge, and this book is a must if you are a lawyer or a law student, and especially if you are an aspirant of judicial service examinations. And let us move on to the third book on my list. This is a bestseller and also an autobiography by Fali S. Nariman titled as Before Memory Fades. As we all know, Fali S. Nariman, a father of current sitting Justice of Supreme Court, Rohinton Nariman, a greatest lawyer, a constitutional expert, and he also has worked with Nani Palkiwala and appeared before M.C. Chagla. Hence, he shares his memory and life and also his legal point of view on many provisions of constitution and other laws. Hence, this is yet another book which I highly recommend. Fourth book on my list is yet another biography of none other than the rebel Sri Ram Jethmalani ji, one of the best criminal lawyers in India, most popular in India, most straightforward, fearless lawyers, and this person had a knack of appearing for most notorious clients in India. Hence, reading this book will really inspire you. He was one of the fearless and unique lawyers when it comes to a legal field. So, this book is also a must read. He passed away recently, so in memory of the rebel Mr. Ram Jethmalani ji. Friends, fifth book on my list is a very simple and nice book that is titled as Legal Eagles. This book examines the life of top 7 advocates in India. These lawyers are top 7 lawyers in India as of now, and it talks about lives of Rohinton Nariman, Harish Salve, Mukul Rohtgi, Abhishek Manu Singhvi, C.A. Sundaram, Arvind Datra and Prashant Bhushan. So this is must read, and by reading the success story of these 7 lawyers, you will be able to inspire yourself to reach the great heights in your life. And next book on my list is, friends, this is a legal book titled as Landmark Judgments That Changed India by Justice A.K. Ganguly. This book contains top 10 judgments which changed India. That is, it talks about judgments in Keswananda Bharati case. It also talks about judgments related to free and fair elections in India. It talks about A.K. Gopalan to Gandhi's case. It talks about rarest of rarest doctrine case. So, if you are a law student, you should know about these 10 judgments for sure. Hence, this book is also highly recommended. So, let us move on to the next book on my list is, I really like this book. This is a complete biography of none other than Abraham Lincoln. This is one of the greatest presidents of United States of America. He was 16th president of USA, and he became president in times of civil war in United States of America. He was an eminent lawyer, a great philosopher, and his principles in life are really to be followed. So please read this book. I really like this book and highly recommend it. So let us move on to the last two books on my list. And these last two books, not only a lawyer or a law student, anyone can read this book. Next book is history on the largest democracy in this world, that is India. This book is titled as India After Gandhi, and this book is written by Ramchandra Guha. And we see very rare books, that is history books on post independence of India. Hence this is one of those rarest books, and I really like this book where all the information given in this book after independence are really accurate. There is no personal bias, so every Indian must read this book. It's a very interesting book. For a history book, it is really interesting, and I highly recommend this book, one of my favorites. So we have come to the last book on my list, and it is very interesting book, bestseller, highly recommended, and it is a novel, and I really don't read novels that much. This is one of those novels I really liked. It is Harper Lee's To Kill a Mockingbird. This book is really good book which talks about racism in United States of America, a beautiful relationship between father and a daughter. So, and also this book contains lot of humor. So this book will keep you captured. Hence, please go for it and read well. So dear friends, I hope you liked this video. If so, please share this video, press that like button, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Jai Hind.